I'm Samantha Angela Demeterio of the TTH 7830 Physical Education 13 class, here to tell you some basic skills in basketball. But first, let us talk about how basketball came to be. It was on the winter of 1891 to 1892 at the Springfield College, which is then known as International YMCA Training School. James Naismith saw a group of restless college students, then thought to invent a game that would be interesting, easy to know, and easy to play in the winter and by artificial light. It was an adaptation of many of the sports of his day, including American rugby, which had passing, English rugby, which had the jump ball, lacrosse, which uses a goal, and soccer, which was the basis for the ball's shape and size, and something called duck on a rock. Back then, they did not use a basket ring and a basket net. Instead, they used peach baskets. It was nailed on the lower balcony wall at either end of the termination. A man was stationed at the end of the balcony to pick the ball from the basket and put it back in play. There were 13 original rules in basketball which underwent changes over the years, but for now, my brother and cousin are going to demonstrate while I discuss some skills in basketball. There is a skill called passing. Passing is when you throw the ball to another player. Passing can make a big difference between scoring and not scoring. There's a skill called dribbling. Dribbling is when you bring the ball down the floor or move the ball from one place to another using the finger pads to tap the ball. It allows you to navigate past defenders and execute play. There's another skill called shooting. Shooting is when you attempt to take a shot at the basket. Another skill is guarding. Guarding is when you follow an opponent around the court to prevent him from getting the ball, taking a shot, or making a pass. Another skill is pivoting. Pivoting happens when a player carrying the ball moves in either direction with the same foot once or more. The other foot, called the key foot, is held to the ground at its point of contact. In conclusion, nowadays, basketball is a game that is played both indoors and outdoors anywhere around the world. But to further enjoy the game, we must understand how it came to be and understand the skills required to play it well. That is all